Hello, so today is Monday, July 10th. Me and my wife are about to make our summer vacation to Ocean City, Maryland. So, I've got to get ready. All packed up, about to head out. Let's go.
We just made a pit stop at Sheetz and I'm getting ready to switch off for the last leg of the trip.
Hello, I'm Donovan, and this is my wife, Hannah. And we just wrapped up Ocean City Day 1. I'm gonna cut to the exciting footage for the B-roll of Day 2 because we just went to the pool, kind of relaxed a bit, and a bit tired, so we're probably gonna call it a night, but let's cut to Day 2.
It is Day 2, we just woke up, so we're gonna hit the beach. Let's go. We just got to Guido's Burritos, so we're gonna order some food and I'll let you know how it is. Just finished up at Guido's Burritos and now we are going to challenge each other in some mini golf.
Hey everybody, we just got back from Guido's Burritos and we went mini golfing where I beat Donovan, and now we're getting ready to go out on the boardwalk so Donovan can get some drone footage.
day 3 here in Ocean City. Me and my wife just got back from the pool. She's showering right now, and then I'm gonna shower. Then we're probably gonna head out to the boardwalk, maybe do some walking around, shopping, then some dinner at an Italian place tonight. I got this pretty cool merch from the surf shop, but I also got it in pink, so it looks pretty good in pink as well. But let's cut to the footage of the boardwalk and the restaurant. So we are on our way to the Lazy Lizard. We changed our idea of doing Italian food tonight. We're gonna save that for our last day so we can enjoy it and have a cute date night. So just wrapped up day 3 at Ocean City. My wife got kind of sick, so she kind of stayed back. We walked the boardwalk a bit, as you saw. I met a YouTuber there. Check out his channel, and link it in the description if you're interested in that. He does some tech reviews. Played with the kid that I've been running into all trip. I haven't filmed him for obvious reasons, but if for some reason Shane sees this, hello. But I also broke my necklace doing dives and bombs and whatnot, so that sucks, but I'll get it fixed when we go home. So on to tomorrow. Quick update, wanted a bit of a scenery change. I know the bathroom's not the best area, but me and Hannah just got up from the pool. We ate a quick lunch. We're probably gonna go back down, and then we are going to go to Assateague Island and Secrets. We're probably gonna go to Secrets first to eat kind of dinner, and then when it cools off, because it's pretty hot, Assateague Island. So get some cool shots of the wild horses there, some cool drone footage, and also some cool party footage at Secrets. So let's go. So while my wife's also in the shower, I figured I'd go over some of the gear I use. So I'm shooting right now on my Sony a7S II with the Ninja V mount. It's pretty good because the Ninja helps me pull focus, and my Sony camera actually doesn't have autofocus because I'm using a Canon 24 to 70 millimeter lens right now. But my little audio device, you might have seen it clipped here and on my other videos, it's the Tascam DR10L. I'll try to get a clip of me pulling focus to it so you can see it better. But this thing's an absolute beast. It records 2 multi-tracks, so I can have a safe track that's negative 12 decibels and a normal track that's 0 decibels. So if there's any wind peaking or anything, I can just fix it. Also in my film arsenal is the DJI Mavic Mini 2. This is my bread and butter when it comes to drone footage. I am a certified drone pilot. I eventually probably will upgrade. I've been looking at the Avata. It's pretty interesting. I would like to do more fly-through stuff with this. It's not really possible. You could kind of get away with it in some of the shots, but absolutely love this thing. You've seen the sunset shots at Assateague Island and everything. It does an amazing job. And my final two pieces of gear that I use on the regular for these vacation videos or any video in general, my workhorse for any water, any action shots, anything that I just need to beat the camera up. The GoPro, I have the Hero 8 Black right now. I used to have the Hero 2 way back in the day. I still have it somewhere. And then also, a lot of people underestimate the power of it, but I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. This thing takes really good footage. Some of the footage at Secrets, I actually captured it. Some of the really nice sunset bokeh shots I actually captured on this. And it makes me so sad sometimes because sometimes I'll film this and I'm like, why does it look better than my cinema camera I have? But that's the gear I use. So let's get into the activities today. Bye, Ocean City. It's been real.
Bye.
We tried 2 restaurants and they were both long waits, so we went to OC Diner, so now we're gonna have breakfast and then make our way home. We just made it back into Ohio. We've been driving for about 7 hours.
Longer.
8 hours.
Like
we are 17 minutes away. Gonna stop and finish the day with some Taco Bell, some unloading, and then call it a day.